I bought you sneakers too.
You bought me sneakers, but let me also get like just corporate shoe for day one. You get. You guys, my husband that I used to beg to follow me to the market. My husband that when we used to date.
I've become very busy.
No,
trying to make
baby,
money for
it's
the
not
family.
even about busy.
It's
My husband
what?
that when we used to date, I did beg my man, follow me to the market. Let's go,
When we used to
baby.
date, I follow you normally.
Yes, now we used to even wear matching outfit, everything.
Now you don't have 2 children.
As I don't turn Mrs. Obichuk's, things have changed.
No, now.
But Mrs. Obichuk's is traveling, so Mr. Obichuk's is as if his world is about to crumble. It's as if his world is about to crumble. Mr. Obichuk's doesn't know what is happening.
Don't mind how. If
Mr.
I don't go with
Obichuk's
her, they'll say, oh, we didn't even spend time together. I'm traveling. We didn't even think, oh, let me follow you to the market.
Oh, kwa.
So,
You guys.
You know, Bomson Sports Market Waka is always tough.
You
I
guys.
say, okay, since it's not the end of month market,
It was.
let's go and look around.
You guys, I'm just
On
looking
this
for.
rainy Lagos day.
Is even what they call it. My ticket is like it's almost go time already. It's in like 2 days, right? I say my flight is in like 2 days. But today is raining heavily, and I just said I didn't even know that the ticket was going to be booked, suddenly like this. So I need to go and get corporate shoe, even if it's just one. Maybe even the shoe that you fixed for me, it has cut.
I carried it, so.
Oh, you carried it again?
Fix it back. Obviously, you won't travel with it.
No, I can't travel with it.
You need to buy some new.
You need to buy
shoes.
me. You need to buy what? You need to buy
shoes.
me. You need to buy me.
No, I'll give you some dollars now so you can, buy the things
over there. Yeah. You guys, so we're just heading to the market. I want to buy corporate shoe, and I need to take some things as well and travel, like some food items as well and travel. Hold on, I'll get back to you guys.
Do another work.
KK event is booked and busy. No, someone was messaging me for something else and not even what I was thinking.
So if you have another work on Monday, you do it.
My staff will do it now. They just know what are they doing. They'll do it now. They're the ones already already. You guys, I have a job briefly. I want to go and check on my staff before myself and my husband will start heading to the market. In fact, a couple of things that are behind me are the things that I bought in the market the last time that I went to the market. I need to deliver them to what they call it, my friend's family. I need to deliver them to my friend's family. But either ways, yeah, let's be going. You guys, my children don't even know what is happening. Hey, even thinking about it, that I'm traveling and leaving them, my heart they do boo 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 boo. But anyways, let's just be going. I'm here to see my staffs. Good afternoon.
A few moments later.
Done from the market. Today was not a market videoing day because I needed to in and out sharp. Don't say I come with my man. You're not gonna wait for me to do all those. Come with me. Let me show you how much I bought this item. Baby, hurry up. Hurry up. We still have to go to the market and buy chicken and other things. You guys, this preparation to travel. Mr. Chooks, thank you so much. Hey, see my son. My son is going to be so hot, you guys. Aito is graduating, and sadly, mommy is not even going to be around. It's not a sad venture. It's the graduation thing. Everything is ready. I don't want to cry.
A few moments later.
8,000. 8,000.
Ah, butter make it plenty. They carry load. Lime 500. Hey, I think it. It's my son graduation suit. Oh. All you need is love and someone to put away the laundry. Maybe they see. Yes, evidence. One. Oh yeah. Right. Mrs. Right.
Mrs. what?
Mrs. Obichuku. Yes. So be collected on Monday, 12 noon. Thank you. You guys, look at Lagos flood.
A few moments later.
You guys, I'm back home, very knackered, very tired, but cooking has to start. I'm thinking the rice will come tomorrow early in the morning. I wake up and make the two different rice, but I'll just pepper the chicken. They've already, fried it down. I want to just pepper the chicken down and then keep pepper chicken, and then I'll keep other ones too for Kaito and Kaima. Chicken for daddy. You don't come with
Mom, what are you making?
chicken for daddy.
Mom, what are you making?
Chicken for daddy.
The next day.
Morning. You guys, good morning. See, I'm making jollof, I'm making fried, I'm making spaghetti. I sent all of them off to church this morning. I finished cooking very late yesterday, but like past 1, so I couldn't even pack the soup inside the fridge. I'm about to do that now, but I have my jollof paste already boiling. My jollof mix already boiling. Then I have my fried rice on fire already. I will soon start stir frying the vegetables so that I will mix. Then I'll just mix spag as well. All this I'll stock inside the fridge because Kaita and Kaima are still going to school, so they have to eat.
next day.
You guys, few days to my trip. Look at my phone. See, look at my phone. Few days to my trip. I'm going to work this morning, but once I'm done, I'm going to go and repair my phone. Few days to my trip. You guys, I cooked up a storm and I've loaded it inside the freezer. But for one tiny bit inside of me is like, I should cook more because I know my children. My children like good food. Hey, they like good food though. Let me tell you something. If Kaito and Kaima come to your house, and you serve them food that is not tasty, they say, "Mommy, this food is not yummy. It's not yummy." I had to discipline them. I had to discipline them one day. I say, "What? Don't do that. That's disrespectful." But I know my children, they like yummy food, and this food that I cooked, I put my love, my heart into it. I don't even want to talk about my children, because if I talk about them, I'll get emotional. I'm going to miss my children. That's not even, my husband, when I ever say, "What about me?" I say, "I will miss you, but you know how to move around things and all." I'm going to miss caring for my children. I'm going to miss taking care of my children. But anyways, you guys, I dey manage Mr. Obichuk's second phone. Make I dey manage and they go, and then I'll get to the office to finish up, and then I'll go, and I have other things to do. They say Nigerian cards now, they've activated it to start working outside the country, so I want to go and get a card, you know, so that it will be easier for me. I was just telling my husband that instead of giving me cash, he should also just give me, he should just transfer it into the account so that I'll be able to spend. But anyways, let's just be going. Jesus, where is my husband's phone? Hey, Soti is calling me. Hey, make una wait oh. Soti is calling me oh. This is my husband's phone, I beg oh. Found it. Let me turn this off. So I've been managing with this phone, right? I'm just heading to the bank. I need to do a lot of bank transfer. I need to do withdraw money. I need to get card and just so many things, right? You guys, phone Chacha baby, me and Chacha baby were just discussing that it is such an essential to, in fact, go back to writing informations in notepad. It's not easy, but let me get down and do what I need to do. You guys, I don't even come out wig. I'm done with most of my bank runs, and I'm here to pick, you know, that outfit I dropped, the Kaito suit and every other thing that myself and my husband dropped. I'm here to pick it up. I'm so tired. I want to go and start packing my suitcase. Washify, good afternoon. Ayana, bring it. Guys, though I just made this cornrows, but I'm going to take it out once I get to the house. I'll take it out and then I'll do new cornrows. For today, for tomorrow, not even today. My back hurts. You people kept to time now. Where? Thank you. Where's my son's suit? Okay, is this here? Okay.
The next day.
May I meet you?
Yes. I'll go inside. I'll go inside.
So where I go wait for you? Okay. You guys, I'm traveling tomorrow. It is Monday left for my trip. My husband sent me, so apparently, what they call it, he sent me to his guy close to his office to just pick up some money. I'm watching. Hold on. He sent me to his office to just pick up some money, so I'm just waiting for the guy. I'm packed now. Where I'm packed, that's on my eye. It's just moving back and back. But at this point, you guys, I was telling Mr. Obichuk that he should transfer to me. He said no. He said no. At this point, when you get to this point, you might need this. You might need. You know, my husband is very articulated and well calculated. At this point, I will transfer this particular one to you, but at this point you will need this. If you need to pay for maybe transportation, 50 euros, this one. I say I might not need to. I might not. My own is a bag. Carry my bag and be going, but my husband is the one that will plan the this, the that, the this, the this. So yeah, I like it for me. So I'm just waiting for his guy to. Yeah, he has told the guy to give me some money, so I'm just waiting for the guy to. Yeah.
A few moments later.
You guys, good friends are hard to find. Who is in here? Our parents.
Yeah, my bandana.
Grandma sent a lot of things. Want to even go to the kitchen and unbox. Let me show you guys the plantain and things that Grandma sent. I want to unbox what Grandma sent. This is the plantain that she bought, and then this one is oil, palm oil. Grandma sells palm oil actually, so go get palm oil. This one as well. This one, all of it here is for me. It's 20 liters, and then this one is 5 liters, right? And then okay. Crayfish, Boma. That's how you know that my mom is the one that packaged something. Crayfish, Boma. Okporo, Boma. Son is mine. Belongs on you, mommy twins.
Man, that's me, baby.
And then Cha-Cha baby. And then Uzo baby. You guys. And then Egusi. This one's like Egusi. And this one's like a lot of stockfish head. Oh, you do want stockfish?
Yes, now why not? Ah, wow. I'm down to cook soup tomorrow.
Yeah. So that's about it. That's about it. You guys, myself and Oyin, you are just here. Oyin came to see me. I'll be leaving tomorrow. And look at my precious baby came to say goodbye. But anyways, let's just catch up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys in the continuation of this vlog because the vlog actually continues. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Bye.